Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 cordless telephone. It's a 27909, and this is Patricia's equipment from Indiana. And this is the initial checkout of this telephone equipment. And we want to run through a little bit about what's going on since this is the initial checkout. Now, Patricia has a couple of different cordless telephones, and they're General Electrics. They're 27909s. The black base is what's called the designer model. And then we also have a brushed stainless steel handset that's with this unit. And then we have the actual handset that belongs to the designer base. And that's because Patricia has several cordless telephones of this type, and she only sent in one base for the two handsets, and that's okay. That's all we need. She has an issue with these handsets. They do not have any transmit. Now we want to go ahead and troubleshoot these units and make our repairs. And I want to go ahead and show you one of the units came in and it was apart, but I want to give you a look at the inside of one of these units if you've never seen the inside. And that gives you a look at what they look like on the PC board. And we're going to go ahead and get a start on these units. So we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this General Electric cordless telephone equipment. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of the two handsets for this General Electric 6.0 cordless telephone equipment, and we want to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention on our silver handset, it was repaired, and we also replaced the piezo buzzer for the ring cycle. And what happens when people try to pry the cover off, the piezo buzzer is on the side, and there's a little hole for where the audio from the piezo buzzer escapes from the handset so you can hear the ring cycle. And they pry on that area, and that normally takes the piezo buzzer out and causes them to go bad. Now this one was ringing very faintly, and so what we had to do is go ahead and replace it. So we're going to set that to the side. It is of no use to us. And we want to go ahead and mention our amplified pickup also. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since this is a cordless telephone, the handset and base unit interchange frequencies, and that can get into the amplifier. And an open amplifier can be prone to any kind of static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button on the amplifier. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier or the frequencies that are interchanged between the handset and base unit while we're on our final checkout. And we'll try to show you that type of noise that is caused by RF power. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. The interference I'm talking about, radio frequency. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Today is Friday, May 12th. The current time, 5:18 p.m. and the temperature, 70 degrees.
We can hang up. Okay, we're back now, and we want to go ahead and check out the handset that belongs to this base. And we want to use our analyzer, and we'll send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. Let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, just like before, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. We'll press our button on the switch box again. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make our call.
Friday, May 12th. The current time, 5:23 p.m. and the temperature, 70 degrees.
Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this GE 6.0 cordless telephone handsets have been repaired, we can return them to Patricia and she can enjoy this equipment once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.